This is Prodigy. It is an online math game which you can also play offline. I'm actually under my daughter's account right now. It's going to ask me a math question and I am in a battle. It says there is 0.97 grams of salt in a container and you use 0.56 grams. You can also get little hints on how to do the math. So if I put in, figure out what the answer is. It will tell me if I'm correct or not. And then I get to shoot the little deal at the thing that I am working on. It will power me up, and I can get different things. The next question is, I have 3 bottles of lotion. Each bottle contains 4.56 milliliters and 2.3 milliliters and 2.12 milliliters of lotion. How much lotion do I have in total? So then I just go and add all of those up. And put the answer in. And it'll tell me I'm correct again. So I am battling this little person here, and I'm trying to get up to a higher level. And then it'll give me another question. It says round to the nearest 100th. So I know that that's going to be 5.9. Whoops, I didn't get that one right. So I can try it again. Or I can see the answer. This time I'm going to lose part of my life, and he's going to gain part of his. And it just goes on until you level up or not. There is a read aloud feature on this, so it will read you the questions. Like I said, there's hints on how to do the math problems. There is also where I can write and do them just right here. And I can do the math on the computer on my own, so I don't have to have like a whiteboard or a piece of paper or anything like that. So that's one of the features on Prodigy. There's also the buttons at the bottom, so I don't have to, if I'm playing it like on a device that doesn't have a keyboard, I have the buttons, the number buttons and stuff on the bottom also. This little game is very helpful to those that need a little extra help when it comes to math and stuff like that. That's all.